Before I begin, I just wanted to take a moment to thank the staff at Stanford and the over 1,100 section leaders that volunteered their precious time to make Code in Place a wonderful program for me and countless others around the world. Thank you. I just wanted to say once again, thank you very much for sponsoring this. Here's a little bit of information on why I chose the project, my inspiration for it. And so what is this project? Well, I wrote an algorithm to solve the Rubik's Cube. Not just any Rubik's Cube, but one that you input. You can either use an image editor like Paint and then paint each little square. And or you can manually input it in within my program. And then what it does is after you input it and run the program, it goes step by step and shows you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Now, unfortunately, I'm trying to keep this about 2 to 3 minutes, and this is a pretty big program, so I can't really show you much of anything. So I might make a longer video and put the link below this video for anybody who wants to see a little bit more of the features or wants to watch the Rubik's Cube be solved from start to finish. But unfortunately, I'm going to stop it right here, and just so I can keep my time frame short. So not only does my program manipulate that image of the Rubik's Cube, but it also provides text to the screen, which is right here called this program called text to image. It takes, I created these in Paintbrush, and then I have them addressed with the dictionary with it. And so it pulls up this image and puts it on a different image of the XY coordinates of your choosing. And I also took the Rubik's Cube and I created it in Paint too. And so my text to image uses a framework called Simple Image, which was created by one of the staff at Stanford. And Simple Image uses the Pillow framework. I think it's just designed to be much simpler to use than Pillow. But fortunately, I'm gonna have to stop showing my stuff right now because I'm gonna have to stop the video right now because of time constraints. And but I did want to take a moment to say to the staff of Stanford and the 1,100 section leaders, once again, thank you. Thank you for providing this. I have learned a lot, and thank you.